Hello everyone, Professor Lohit here. Today we want to see the third method of finding the structure evaluation, that is GPR, ground penetrating radar. So what it does, it transmits the pulse radio waves through the pavement material. Waves reflects at the material boundaries. Okay, you're going to find the arrival time and the strength of the reflections. Determine then material depth, thicknesses, and its properties. Okay. So what all the equipments it has? It has GPRS antenna, air coupled and ground coupled, data acquisitions and the control system. These are the equipments: 1 gigahertz horn antennas, okay, ground coupled antennas. This is how it works. See, so what it does, the ground penetration, whatever radar is highly versatile and non-destructive method. Okay, here which provides a range of condition and construction payment information. How it works? It is an echo sounding method where a transducer like a receiver, transmitter receiver is passed over the surface. Okay, then the transmitter sends out the low powered radio energy. Okay, this is how it, you can see in the picture, powered radio energy and reflections from the material boundaries. Okay, whatever they get, the reflection from the material, embedded features such as metal or voids are picked up by the receivers. Here what the GPS, whatever the recorder is, records the travel time. These are the different times of radios pulses between the electric boundaries of the pavement layers along or one or multi profile of the pavement in each lane at around frequencies such as 9,000 megahertz to the 15,000 megahertz. The travel time of the radio pulse is then used to determine the depth of the material interface within the pavement structures, which in turn used to calculate the what thickness of individual pavement layer. Here you can see the some example: depth, time with the depth, different, what are the layers, how the frequencies changes according to that. So these are typical pavement structures of data analysis, like unclear interruptions. Okay, so where the application, payment application, you can find that it can use to payment management, rehabilitation design work, quality assurance of the new pavement constructions, its thickness and density. Okay, and subgrade moisture for the drainage, location of the dole bars and all in the case of the CC pavement, and the detection of asphalt stripping due to the infinity towards the water. Okay, layer of the data for the PMS, thickness of the falling weight deflectometer, 100 to 200 lane miles per day coverage is with easily possible. This is for the rehabilitation. Exist thickness for the overlaying can do it. Bound layer thickness of the for the design in place of the recycling depth, you can find it. Thickness used for the FW ladder can be used. Locate areas of high moisture for the drainage design. Here it is Excel rating from the, this is, you can easily find it from the GPR. Okay, so we stop it here. This is the, almost we cover the third module here. Okay, thank you for your patience hearing.